Yeah, I don't know. You see the back is in the board.
Oh, can you take a photo?
Sure. Well, we're going to load up with the bear hair.
What did you think?
Very good. Thank you.
Thank you. Woo. Nice little height jump.
Hey. Cool.
Seatbelt
Welcome
check.
to CyberTruck.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, I love that.
Seatbelts? Alright. Everyone's got seatbelts now?
Yep.
Okay. So this is a 17-inch center display. I'm going to play a little intro demo. There we go.
Oh, nice.
I'll just touch the navigation button here too, so that way you can see where we're going. So we're just going to head out here to Jack Northrop. We'll do a quick 0 to 60 run.
Sweet.
And then we'll make a quick U-turn over there. And come back so a couple other people can have a chance. A lot of people want to ride this thing tonight, huh?
It's quite popular.
So
Sweet steering wheel
put
too.
The fog lamps on, put the off-road lamps on, stick it in low suspension mode. That way it lowers closer to the ground.
Ooh.
So I didn't completely floor it there for you. I just kind of rolled into it so you can feel how comfortable it is. And you'll notice it has the adaptive air suspension, so we'll do multiple heights. So if you want to go off-road, it'll go over obstacles and soak up bumps. But if you want to be on-road, it lowers and the adaptive dampers stiffen up, so that way it'll handle more like a sports car.
Okay.
If you look behind you, you can see directly out of the back. That's because the tonneau is wide open.
Oh, wow, yeah.
But even if you close the tonneau, you can still see behind you because this is the rear view display.
So is it a solid closure then?
It is not, actually. It's
Okay.
made up of lots of little leaves. So it's a rolling tonneau, and it's stowed in a roll directly beneath the rear occupants.
Ah, okay.
And then the center console that's between us, you've got some cup holders here, but once you fold it up, it's actually a seat.
Okay. Very cool.
Yeah.
How's the leg room back there?
That's good.
Is that like a marble dash? That's what everyone keeps saying. It's a marble dash. Yeah, no, I don't know what the material is actually, but everyone thinks it looks exactly like marble, but I can tell you it's much lighter than marble.
It looks pretty cool.
Excellent. All right, hope you guys had fun.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Woo.
It does have a rolling tunnel cover.
Okay, so this is Pete from Abstract Ocean. What did you think? You were in a test ride.
I think the test ride was good. I think the interior was interesting, pretty utilitarian, I guess. Exterior design, it's definitely a grower. Everyone I spoke to was like, ooh, when they first saw it, but by the end of the evening, people seem to be warming to it. So, really interesting.
Now, did you reserve one?
I did.
There you go.
Couldn't help myself.
Okay, so what did you think of the test ride?
I thought it was cool. I mean, we had a long line, but luckily we were towards the front of the line. But it was cool. It was too quick, but I sat in the back seat in the middle. Had plenty of leg room.
Headroom?
Plenty of headroom. I didn't even notice. I mean, I'm not the tallest, but Alex, who's sitting next to me, is much taller. He said he had no problem with the headroom. It was interesting. It looks like it had like the same screen as the Model 3, and the steering wheel was very different. Do you see that? And it's very plain on the inside, though. You know, very similar to like a Model 3, I guess. We didn't get to see all the cool stuff, like how they lower the trunk or anything like that. But he did talk about the tonneau cover, which unrolls and covers up the back of the bed. So it was interesting, and the cool the interface, the animation for like navigation stuff was like 3D. I think that's new too, right? Yeah, so it was cool. But it'd be interesting to see how much when the final product comes out in 2022.
What did you think of the Tesla
CyberTruck test ride?
It was great. Actually, the front dash is not marble, although it looks like it. It's a different material, so that was kind of cool, different, unique. It's a 17-inch screen compared to the 15-inch in Model 3, so there's that I kind of picked up on. The UI interface, loved it. The center seat, or like armrest between the driver and the passenger, you can actually fold that up and get a third seat, so it's kind of like a bench. Mixed feelings on that, we'll go into that later. But overall, loved it. The price was amazing, so we definitely reserved one. I can't wait to get it. Probably go with that tri-motor design. But yeah, overall, loved it. Comment down below what you guys think. And that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Definitely subscribe because we will be having a ton more Cybertruck videos coming. You do not want to miss those, so definitely stay tuned. As always, huge thank you to our channel sponsor, Abstract Ocean. If you guys are looking to accessorize your Model S, X, or Model 3, or even the Cybertruck coming up soon, definitely check them out, linked all down below, and using code Tesla Inventory, all one word, will get you 15% off your first purchase. As always, thumbs up if you enjoyed that video. Go and click here to subscribe here for some other ones, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.